In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Afterpay on Shopify. Afterpay lets your customers split their purchase into installments while you get paid upfront, which can boost conversion and average order value. Before we begin, make sure you can access your Shopify admin and that you have your Afterpay merchant credentials ready. You'll need those to connect the two platforms. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, navigate to the payment settings. The quickest way is to open Settings at the bottom left and then select Payments. This is where all your payment providers live, including gateways you've already connected and any you want to add. In the Payment section, look for the option to add a new method and click Add Payment Method. This opens Shopify's catalog of supported providers. You'll use this to find and connect Afterpay to your store. In the search bar, type Afterpay. You should see Afterpay appear as an available provider. Click it, then choose the option to install or connect. Depending on your region, the button label may vary slightly, but the idea is the same. You're authorizing Shopify to add Afterpay as a payment option. If you see any permission prompts, review them and continue. Once the provider is added, select Afterpay and click Activate. Activating brings up the connection screen where you enter the credentials provided by Afterpay. These are the details that securely link your Shopify store to your Afterpay merchant account. Paste them carefully, exactly as provided, and keep them secure. If you manage multiple environments, double-check that you're using the correct credentials for this store. When everything is filled in, click Activate to finalize. After activation, you should see Afterpay listed among your active payment methods in the payment settings. That means it's ready and will be offered at checkout to eligible customers. Keep in mind that availability can depend on your store's currency, your customer's location, and any order minimums or maximums set by Afterpay. If your theme supports it, Afterpay messaging can also appear on product pages to show shoppers the installment amounts, which often improves conversion. A quick tip: review your payment settings to ensure they align with your policies, including capture settings and refund behavior, so refunds or partial refunds flow smoothly through Afterpay. Also, be aware of processing fees and settlement timing, which are handled by the provider. And that's it. You've added Afterpay, activated it, and connected your credentials. Your checkout now offers a flexible payment option that customers love, while you keep getting paid as usual. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.